It is a fact that women are more depressed than men while living alone and having 80% higher chance of having depression. People who live alone are much more likely than others to take antidepressants medication. About 1 in every 4 women living alone had purchased antidepressant versus only in 1 in 10 women not living alone. Hello?
Hi, Shahwan. Um, are you free? I really need to talk to you about something.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
I'm living alone and hardly meeting anyone. Sometimes this is killing me.
Listen, the world is full of beautiful souls who would be delighted to make your acquaintance. Invite your friends to meet for dinner or go on an outing.
I don't want to live alone, but I can't help being with someone or friends.
I know, but often women struggle emotionally with living alone because they think it means they have failed. Loneliness occurs when you think something isn't right in your life socially, or you don't feel as loved or included as you want to be.
I'm a very introvert person, and it makes it difficult for me to trust or do something easily.
I strongly suggest that you should meet people and extend invitations might be more difficult for you as an introvert. But being social gets easier with practice. But avoid social media that can be reason behind your increased stress level.
I want to overcome this loneliness. What are the activities that I should do to help me?
If your home seems too quiet, play Quranic verses. Make a list of friends to call when you just need to hear a friendly voice. If negative thoughts keep you awake, consciously replace them with innocuous ones. If you don't fall asleep within half an hour, get up and do something that occupies your thoughts.
At times, I even take antidepressants to help me relax, put me to sleep, and forget about everything.
Always remember that antidepressants are not life-saving drugs. It would make you more numb than better. You would experience more mood swings, which actually made things worse. So please avoid taking them. Whatever your feelings for living alone, a rich, fulfilling social life can ward off feelings of loneliness and isolation. To counter negative thinking, make a list of reasons you enjoy living by yourself. If you realize you haven't enjoyed yourself for a couple of weeks or longer, that's a sign of trouble. There are some clinical depressed symptoms such as feeling sad, empty almost all the time, losing interest in things you once enjoyed, feeling helpless or hopeless, having trouble getting out of bed, sleeping too much or too little, overeating and losing appetite, having trouble paying attention or making decisions. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, you may go for a walk or exercise, take a hot shower before sleep, get some sunlight or eat healthy foods, practice mindfulness, and sometimes helping others will also make you feel great too. Do not forget to spend time with your friends or loved ones, who are the best medicine. At the end, you can have a loved one around you that may change your life.